with another garofalo pasta recipe video, and this week I'm showing you how to create a gorgeous courgette pesto and pistachio pasta salad. That's right, perfect for all your picnic barbecue needs, or if you just fancy eating in the garden, this pasta salad will make your soul sing. This is how you make it. So first thing we're going to do, we need to bring a pan of water to the boil. So I'm just going to switch that on now. Next, we're going to fry some prawns in some olive oil, garlic and lemon. So the addition of prawns really brings this whole dish together. If you're veggie or vegan, you can obviously leave it out, no need. But I feel like the prawns add a bit of a Sicilian factor to this dish. So I've got olive oil in the pan already. I'm going to add 1 chopped garlic. I'm going to add the prawns in. We're going to gently fry that until they turn pink with the addition of some lemon juice. Half a lemon's going in. Next, we're now going to create our courgette pesto, or start to anyway. So in a frying pan, I want you to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're going to add 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped garlic clove, a pinch of salt, and cook until beautifully softened on a low heat. Then, when they've softened, we're going to add some courgette, so 2 courgettes chopped up, and a few cherry tomatoes halved, all going in the pan. We're now going to cook those until everything is beautifully softened. So the courgette softens, the tomato softens, everything is beautifully softened. Then we can then puree into our pesto. Our pasta water is ready to cook our pasta, and today we're going to be using a garofalo casserecce, a shape typical from the south of Italy. It's one of my faves. It's an unusual shape. It's kind of slightly spiraled, and it's going to be perfect for that courgette pesto to cling onto the sides. If you can't get casserecce though, you could also use fusilli, you could also use penne, or you could also use farfalle, which is a little bow tie. But the fact that the pasta also is bronze dyed means it has this rough, porous surface, which means that all sauces cling onto it perfectly, essential when creating a gorgeous pesto for a pasta salad. It's time to cook our pasta, so always refer to the pasta packing instructions to see how long you should cook it. Don't just guess, you'll end up with some sort of weird mess. This casserecce take 11 minutes, and that's what I'm going to do. So I've emptied my courgette and tomatoes into a container. I'm now going to collect a little bit of pasta water, just add a little bit to the vegetables. It's going to help loosen it up, and now we're going to blend it. So we're going to add our drained pasta into the bowl, like so, followed by our courgette sauce. You want to add about 2 tablespoons of parmesan. So that goes in as well. Got some chopped up cherry tomatoes, some chopped up mint. Add in your prawns. And now give that a good stir. We finish off with a sprinkling of pistachios and some more fresh mint. One final touch, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle on the top, and there you go. There is my courgette pesto pistachio pasta salad with prawns and tomato. You can eat this dish hot if you wanted to, but when it's cooled down, it's as equally as gorgeous. Perfect serve out by all alfresco dinner parties, picnics or barbecues. Absolutely delicious. Now, if you like this video, please share and like it. Full recipe will be on my website for anyone who wants to know all the exact ingredients and measures, and I hope you enjoyed it. So for now, so on that note guys, I'm going to go. So ciao for now, and ta-da!